Today's video 10 extent affiliate marketing course to learn. Summary: affiliate marketing drive 20% to 40% of your revenue with email SMS marketing. Do you want take average your affiliate website? You are having difficulty marketing your online store profitably. Not everything can access on online marketing specialists can help your DP understand how to business work, learn empowerment, locate and receive tips. Industry lending feeding this access we complete through affiliate marketing course that can bring your online business to a higher level. Table of contents. What is affiliate marketing? Who invests in affiliate marketing? First, the sale and product creates. Second, the affiliate and publish. The customer and service. The because online. The affiliate publisher we because in affiliate marketing one constant fix will receive income, no customer support. Fourth, platform because rewards. Top 10 affiliate marketing course with a try. First number, learn how to build a high quality affiliate website. Second, ClickBank Successful. 3. The complete 2020 hands on affiliate marketing course. First, the ecology site system authorizing hacks. Sixth number, saving affiliates. 7. Complete digital marketing course for affiliate marketing. 23 course in its commission hero. Constant affiliate marketing a living. Affiliate marketing means affiliate marketing commission platform other product affiliate looking product service commission everyone sales creator the sales tracking target affiliate links for site other who invest in affiliate marketing. Sun affiliate marketing by multiple published products promotion and creator access. Secondary camp the complete the individual more powerful marketing company with affiliate commission the spare parts in which the process the seller and product create the affiliate and advertiser the customer. First number, the sales and product creators. The sales leader sign in big company as with a product promotion, product and service exchange, e-commerce store, publish objects like kitchen commutes. The sales also now brand does not need it to access join the marketing but why can the advertiser and receive commission from the revenue sharing with affiliate marketing. For instance, the sales could be e-commerce vendor, a brand, special business and what likes a fresh advertise affiliate size marketing the product sales make visions company Thus, tech advertiser of affiliate helps sell marketing software. Affiliate often affiliate have often a good job business affiliate and have published clients promotion posted that's a need this nice professional brand that helps affiliate construct product. Third number the customer whether the customer recognizes or not purchase of Europe's affiliate marketing affiliate shared items on the site's blog social media in order to complete the selling affiliate will sharing by earning commission sales creator other times the customer may have no idea about affiliate marketing in case beyond the purchase try will success will pay more packet visa affiliate parts get product use not affiliate the dictionary on we because affiliate marketing first conversion is flexible because you are becoming a freelancer you have unlimited your honor object changing parts feel increase setting product that increase and designing honor was concentrated means need provide weight simple and clear commission you are needed follow company registration and real rule truth number possible income will limit no customer supported individual sales and commission needed deal with higher customer make source type happy with have biggest with affiliate such strategy about support customer content the whole task affiliate marketing is a brand customer to the merchandise the merchandise is posting the customer complaint I get your commission for promise because rewarded with most job you can work 7 hours a week and still get some salary affiliate marketing is sold because you are professional you receive what is sport and increase insurance but how to building high quality affiliate website what is the high quality affiliate website course you can choose best niche learn technical setting up WordPress installation improvement blogging greater reliable authorization affiliate pages with good click target the ghosted rate RSS will support your content idea will Pedally will help your product new blog support. How to building high quality affiliate website, how to use different ways affiliate product customer, how to come up with any content idea, compose night girls affiliate marketing make possible refreshing visitor quality winner. What the course You can quick increase ClickBank stored products that can sell now. You can sell is fast professional option being your fund post try to learn went if you join course choose your clickbait product now recognition remove bad ones keep track and add professional every keyword and make singular changing marketing clickbait product on Facebook with the investment filter is size page subscriber opted explore new suggest application more clickbait Promit different affiliate professional Amazon ClickBank and sharing sell product article slow SEO problem choose popular nice low competition keyword designing quality leading service graphic exchange email marketing for affiliate marketing sites a new internship guide skill here for today's video likes for subscribe my channel thanks for latest mission updates thanks for